Look, we've all been there. You're staring at a blank screen, you know ChatGPT is sitting right there waiting, but you just can't seem to get a useful answer out of it. It's frustrating, right? Well, today we are diving into the student guide for AI. We're gonna figure out how to take you from an absolute beginner to a total pro. Because honestly, what if I told you that most people, especially students, are actually using ChatGPT completely wrong? Seriously, we usually just toss in a quick, basic question and expect this absolute masterpiece in return. But in this explainer, we're unpacking some seriously powerful tricks pulled straight from how the experts do it. We're talking about transforming this tech from a basic, kind of clunky chatbot into your own personalized tutor. And it all really boils down to this one idea. The difference between a beginner and a pro isn't intelligence, it's knowing how to ask. Your success doesn't hinge on how smart the AI itself is. It's literally all about how you structure your prompts. You know the old saying, garbage in, garbage out? Well, master the ask and the results you get will absolutely blow your mind. So, here is our roadmap for today. 1. Setting up for success. 2. Supercharging your study sessions. 3. Executing projects and content. And finally, 4. Pro-level productivity hacks. Let's get right into it. Starting with Phase 1, setting up for success, where we'll master the art of the perfect prompt. Okay, so the single biggest mistake beginners make is treating AI like it's just a regular search engine. They type in a one-sentence demand, something like, write me an email. But a pro assigns a role. They'll say, you are a senior marketing manager with 15 years of experience, write a professional email that sounds friendly and persuasive. See the difference? By assigning a specific identity, you actually force the AI to tap into expert vocabulary. The results are just miles better. Pros literally never ask basic questions. They assign identities. Building right on top of that, the next crucial step is adding deep context. A beginner might just type, help me lose weight. But look at the pro version. I'm a 30-year-old office worker with only 30 minutes a day to exercise. I prefer home workouts and vegetarian meals. Now, translate this over to your classes. Instead of saying, help me study history, try something like, I'm a college sophomore studying the French Revolution for a final exam. I only have 2 hours a day, and I really struggle with remembering dates. It's simple. Better context equals much better, highly tailored answers. Which brings us to Phase 2, supercharging your study sessions and transforming AI into your ultimate study buddy. The real magic here is using AI for that initial phase of research and comprehension. Like, rather than getting totally bogged down reading dozens of dense academic articles right out of the gate, ask the AI to simplify things for you first. Try prompts like, explain quantum computing like I'm 12, or tell it to compare electric cars under 5 bullet points. It is an incredible way to wrap your head around high-level concepts super fast. But, and this is a really vital reminder for all of us, while this absolutely helps you learn faster, you still have to verify your facts using reliable academic sources. Never skip that step. Now, to actually make those study sessions stick, you want to treat ChatGPT like a personal teacher by having it generate active learning tools. You can literally ask it to whip up quizzes, practice exams, flashcards, or even build a structured day-by-day learning plan for finals week. And hey, if you get stuck on a weird concept, just ask it for real-life examples. When you actively engage with a material like this, learning isn't just faster, it's actually kind of fun. It is exactly like having a teaching assistant on call 24/7. All right, moving into Phase 3, executing projects and content. This is all about smarter execution and flawless output. So, one of the easiest traps to fall into is asking the AI to do a massive project all at once. Don't do that. If you've got a huge group project, you've got to use step-by-step prompts. Step 1, create a business idea. Then, once you're happy with that, you move to Step 2, build a marketing strategy. Then Step 3, write the ads. Finally, Step 4, generate social media content. Breaking things down into these sequential chunks keeps the AI from getting confused, and it produces way higher quality results. This step-by-step approach is ridiculously useful if you're studying communications, media, or if you're just trying to build up a personal brand on the side. AI can churn out so many different formats: YouTube scripts, blog posts, Instagram captions, TikTok ideas, podcasts, email newsletters, you name it. But listen, here is the absolutely critical takeaway when you're executing content. Do not just copy and paste it. That is a guaranteed one-way ticket to sounding like a robot. You have to go in and inject your own personality, your own stories, your own lived experiences. That human element is the only thing that demonstrates true understanding. And here's a secret, frankly, brilliant technique we found for getting flawless output, which is especially great when you're editing essays. Instead of just accepting whatever first draft it spits out, interrogate the AI. Literally ask it, how could this response be improved? You're forcing the AI to step back and critique its own initial answer. And then right after that, hit it with a follow-up prompt. Say something like, okay, now rewrite this to sound more persuasive, or rewrite this to be more academic. Firing off this rapid follow-up question forces the AI to instantly hand you a dramatically stronger second version. It essentially acts as a collaborative editor to really refine and polish up your ideas. Okay, let's wrap things up with phase 4, pro-level productivity hacks, to save you some serious time and stress with a few advanced strategies. Pro tip number 1, you do not need to sit there rewriting your prompts from scratch every single day. If you stumble onto a setup that works perfectly for, say, your biology lab reports, save it. Start building a digital notebook of templates. Things like act as a financial advisor, act as a YouTube strategist, or act as a software engineer. Then just reuse them whenever you need to tap into that specific expertise. It is a super small habit, but the productivity boost is massive. Which leads directly into this fantastic trick for pressure testing your ideas right before a big presentation. Ask the AI to simulate multiple experts at the exact same time. Seriously, try prompts like this. Answer this as a lawyer, a CEO, a marketer, and a customer. It's literally like having an entire board of experts instantly sitting around a table to highlight your blind spots from multiple different perspectives. At the end of the day, ChatGPT isn't replacing people, it's just helping people work smarter. For us students, it's all about using it to enhance your own capabilities, not just letting it lazily do the work for you. The more clearly you communicate and the better you structure those prompts, the more insanely powerful this technology becomes. Clear communication really is the whole ballgame here. Hopefully, this explainer completely shifts how you view your new digital study buddy. I'll leave you with this final thought. Which tip actually surprised you the most? Think about how you can take that one specific takeaway and apply it to your classes this week. I promise it'll save you hours of frustration. Thanks for hanging out with me and happy studying!